Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I will be playing Bee Swim Sim. So, I only need one more bee until I have a 25. So yeah, this is my little bird right here. And he needs four more pets. But thing is, he had more pets than me. But now, I took over him. So he planted a sprout and we got a moon. So now we're just gonna try this until I get 900k so I can get an egg and use my royal abilities on it. And my brother already has 2 million. But I don't care about that. I'm just gonna spend all my money. So right now I would have had a lot more tickets. But I used them on golden eggs. Maybe you're saying, why did you do that? Why did you do that? I did it because I needed. Oh, there's a star. What does this do? Yeah, just stay there and do what you do. So, guys, I'm just going to play, get honey, and try to get my 25. So I got this legendary demo bee, demon bee, and this music bee, and this another music bee. I got that one from yeah. So I also have 3 gifted. Bow, and wait, that's not my gifted pet. I have. Wait, I'm not. Oh, what? Okay, so I have a gifted frosty bee, a gifted commander bee, and a gifted music bee, my Riley bee. So yeah, now I'm just going to try to get 10k more. Wait, let me see how much I need. Actually, I don't need that much. 918,000. I'm just gonna do 920,000. Why not? So yeah, let's get into it. Oh my god, it's gonna take a long time. My little bird is saying that's not, but I think it is.
I said I know 2 hours.
Oh, you said 2 hours. I'm just gonna use many of these things. I have your 4 of gumdrops, bro. You have 3 gumdrops? How? Oh, I have 900k already. So I need to get the glider, not this parachute. Slow. And the thing is, I didn't even need to buy it.
And me too, I also bought it.
Yeah, he also bought it. We were pretty much not smart about this game. We didn't know that much about the game. Our friends were like, bro, that's later game. Bro, that's later game. If it's later game, then why do you have it with only 20 pets? So we just bought it.
Yeah.
And now I'm apparently better than him. He's just playing Adopt Me.
Me?
Adopt Me. That's a game.
Roblox. Me? I'm not playing Adopt Me.
No, my friend is playing, not you. He's playing Adopt Me.
But he's still better than me.
No, he's not. No, he is only 23. And I have 24. And I'm gonna get 25. No, today.
Actually,
Oh my god. Bro, I have so many hours until. Bro. I actually think I am gonna get it.
What?
Oh my god. And I'm pretty much going to use. Go all the way down. Wait, does these pink and red balloon do anything? Nah. I think that times 5 on me. Royal jellies, I have 12. Let's see what that can do. 27. Bro, I used 50 on them. Oh, wait. No.
How much? How many
Wait, am I
trees
done
do
with
you
that
have?
royal
I have
jamble?
280.
Where is it? Oh my god. Werewolf
Robo
hunt.
pass.
Defeat one werewolf. I already did it. Didn't I? Yeah, I don't care. So let's try to get more. Bro, did you? What? Bro, you're actually using this random stuff, and that's something that you're not supposed to
We're
do.
almost done. We have only 100, almost 100,000.
Oh wait, I can buy another.
Don't you dare!
I'm doing it
I can
for
also buy
everyone, for all those that's watching these videos. For this. No, don't tell me that. Okay.
Now we finally have a good player.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yes. Epic. I don't need a epic.
Finally,
No.
we have something
No.
useful.
Commando. Okay. Nope. Wait. Okay. Shotgun. No.
We almost have 100.
Last one. Okay, a blue epic Buckle. I don't have them in the Buckle, do they? Oh god damn it! I used all my rolls at least. Well, who cares? I have 25 pets. Bye. I'm just going to go up there. Just wait. You don't even know what I'm trying to do. Bruh. Okay, okay. Well, I'm just... wait a second. I have 25. Let's go.
Huh? 25? Oh my god, I'm flexing on my
25
brother.
beast
Oh my god.
types to fire discover. And how many B types did I? I've only discovered 23 B types. That cute. Okay, so let's just
What's I
there.
discovered more than you, and I've only.
How many pets did you discover?
I don't know, and I don't.
You discovered 19, not 24. Yeah, I said 23.
And you said 24.
And you said that you have more than me. And you don't even have 24, so you can have.
I do not even have 23 pets.
I mean types. You mean types. Types of pets. Oh my god, I said pets. Types of bees.
No,
bro, you're confusing me.
No, my god, you're confusing me.
No.
I said I do not even have 23 bees.
Oh my god, bro, you're confusing me.
You're confusing my life.
You're confusing me while you're in my room. Bro, I have like a daily thing. I do something every day. And I get honey for doing it. Oh, yes, this is a 25. What is that?
Something in the chat so everybody can come.
Commando chick, what is that?
Say the
What
chat.
is this? Bees attack whatever that thing is. Wait. Okay. I said
say
stuff.
something in the chat so everybody can come up this movie.
And that wait, I'm trying to explore the shop. Open shop. What is this? 20 mil? Oh, 60 mil. 50 mil. 50 million. 12 million. 150 million. 250 million. 5 million. I saw something. I can't even buy a hive swap. So the parachute is low. I can't even buy anything here. 15 mil for this thing. 20 million. Bro, how are people even buying this stuff? Bro, and I need a glider. Okay, wow.
I'm just gonna use all of the things.
Bro, I can't pick anything. 3 mythic bee types? Bro, is this game crazy? What? I mean, not crazy, but for real now. How should I have 3 mythics? Oh my god. Dum, da, da, dum. Dum.
Actually, I do.
Yeah, exactly. How should I would have a microphone? Bro, like, are you even listening? Ew, that's sus.
I'm a fussy
Mm.
Yes. Well, I didn't know that.
Okay, so now let's do this one. And 25 bond. Bro, I don't even know what that bond is. Nah, who cares?
Because I do not even know what we're talking about.
Use the same power. Honey.
David, this thing is
The
low
king
and I'm
is
just
coming.
standing here like a bitch.
Oh my god. You fucking go.
No, I'm not.
Okay, so now I think I need to do this. And now I think that I need to help you, but I don't. Wait, I need to check something. I need to buy something so I can help you. Okay?
Then buy everything. Just help me. What are you gonna buy?
Something that makes it rain, I think. Or what?
Yes, please. Tacos.
Okay, so now
It gotta rain.
I'm going here.
Gotta rain tacos. Yeah. Let's put the tacos.
Would cost 1,111,000.
What is that thing?
It's a sprinkler.
Oh, say buy it, Nick.
But I don't have enough. Oh my god. And the ace badge. Oh my god, bro. I don't even know what that is. Is this the honey badge?
We can use. You cannot buy anything with agent.
Oh, now I know what that ace badge is. I need to get 100k. 100 million. Honey. No, I'm not opening the blender. I'm trying to jump on it. No, I don't. I'm not trying to open it. Wait, that
Hey, yo.
please jump up there. How am I even gonna get up there?
You're not helping me.
I know.
Just come and help me.
Five gifted bees. I only have 3 left. Claim 1 royal jelly per gifted bee. And I have 3. I have super speed. Auto. So yeah, guys, I think that's gonna be it for this video. Bye.